Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I. In this clip, I will solve, in these clips that I've been putting on YouTube, I will solve problems that appear, the math problems that appear in the official SAT study guide. You need to have this book with you in order to follow my work. If you don't own the book, buy one from any of the bookstores or send me an email and I'll send one out to you if that's what you wish. Right now I'm going to solve problem that appears in exam number 2, section number 3, page 464, question 19. Let's get going then. At the end of the clip, if you find it helpful and if you wish to purchase the DVD that has the answers to all the problems in the section without any interruptions, without any sales pitch, send me an email and I'll send out the DVD to you. The website address again is www.prep4sat.com. Let's begin. It says in the picture above, QR is the arc of a circle with the radius with the center P. This is the arc we're talking about, QR. This we are told is 30 degrees. Let's see. If the length of the arc is 6 pi, if the length of the arc QR is 6 pi, question is, what will be the area of this sector? This sector, this slice, whatever you want to call it, the area of this slice is what we need to find out. So let's solve for it. I'm going to set it up as a proportion problems. You see, here we have degrees and the length. There are 30 degrees in this slice, and the length of that arc is 6 pi. There are 360 degrees in the whole circle. What is it that I'm trying to solve here? I'm trying to solve for the circumference, because once I know the circumference, from there I can find the radius of the circle, and once I know the radius of the circle, I can figure out the area of the circle, and once we have the area of the circle, we can figure out the area of this guy. I hope that you're able to see right away. So since this is 30 degrees and the whole circle is 360 degrees, this slice is a 12th of a circle. It's a 12th of a circle. Alright? Let's get going then. So I'm not going to actually solve, cross multiply and do all that mumbo jumbo. You should be able to see right away. I hope you're able to see right away that this x quantity is simply 12 times this, because the top is 12 times this amount. 360 is 12 times 30. This x here has to be 12 times 6 pi. There you go, that's it. That's what you needed to do to figure out the circumference of the whole circle. So now I know the circumference, which is 2 pi r, is equals 12 times 6 pi. Let's solve it then. Solve for the radius. The pi's drop out. If you divide both sides by 2, these 2 will go out, and what we are left with is the radius, which happens to be 12 times 3. I was about to say 12 times 6 because I forgot the 2 at the bottom. 12 times 3 is the radius. 36 in other words. Therefore, the area of the whole circle would be pi r squared, which will be 36 squared. If the area of the circle is that, pi r squared, because we just found the r to be 12 times 3, what do you suppose the area of that slice will be? That slice, as we said before, is the 12th of the circle. So the area of the slice which they are referring to as a sector, same thing, would be a twelfth of that. That's it. Let's solve for it. So it's pi times 36 times 36 over 12. Don't reach for the calculator, okay? Just leave the calculator alone. Give it a rest. Just use your brain first. Just don't use the calculator. Let's simplify it. That's it. That's the area of the slice. 36 times 3 pi. 36 times 3, well, I know that 30 times 3 is 90 and 6 times 3 is 18. 36 times 3 should be 108. The answer is 108 pi. That's it. And if you're having trouble doing 36 times 3 in your head, like I just explained, pick up the calculator and just do it out, okay? Anyway, how you do it doesn't matter. That's the answer. I hope you follow the work that I did. That's the important part. The answer is 108 pi. Answer is A. I hope you found this clip helpful. As I said before in the beginning, if you do find it helpful, send me some comments. Let me know what you think about it, either good or bad. I would like to hear both. And also, if you want to purchase the whole DVD with the solutions to the problem in this section, section number 3 of exam number 2, or for that matter, any of the sections in the exam, in this book, in 8 exams, send me an email and I will take care of it. Alright? Thank you again.